Magic art.
How to draw a simple cute makeup kit, easy drawing and coloring for kids. Let's draw a super cute makeup kit step by step. Grab your colors and let's make a magical makeup box. Easy makeup kit drawing for kids, fun and colorful. Today we are drawing a cute beauty makeup set with crayons. Can you draw lipstick, brush and brushes with me? Let's start. Let's learn makeup kit drawing in most fun and colorful way. Draw this cute makeup kit in under 1 minute. Stop scrolling and draw this with me. You won't believe how easy this adorable makeup kit is to draw. Let's turn our sketchbook into a mini makeup studio. Easy makeup kit drawing for kids, fun and colorful. Today we are drawing a cute beauty makeup set with crayons. Grab your color and let's make a lipstick that shines brighter than real one.